What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning back in. If you're new here, thank you for checking out the channel. This is my all-out assault on my acne scars, and I'm trying everything in the book to get rid of them, everything I can do personally. So check out my other videos. You might like them. You might really get something out of them. DIY TCA cross, microneedling, prescription retinol that I can get without a prescription. So can you. I've been just constantly, every night, pretty much every night, I've been putting on retinol religiously. I've been mixing it with CeraVe and other moisturizer, to kind of dilute it down. Doing multiple chemical peels with TCA diluted down to like 50%. That's the max strength I use it at. And I just did, I have to apologize. My nose has been really stuffy lately. But I just did a really strong TCA chemical peel. I kind of made it stronger than I needed to or wanted to, and I still have red marks here, but those will go away. Every time I think I permanently mess it up, they go away and everything heals just great. But I'm going to show you some pictures. This is 4 months after original video and my DIY TCA cross and the microneedling and the retinol, and the chemical peels, everything is DIY. I'm doing it all here. Everything is a combination. I'm going to show you the results and exactly what I've achieved so far. There is actually a pretty substantial improvement. I'm kind of impressed. I got a long way to go, but maybe this will give you hope if you're going through the same thing. So I'm showing you the left and right side around early November when I started treating my face originally. There's a couple of areas I really want you to pay attention to. Right here, this line, and another line right here. I definitely noticed those have gone. And I just took these ones about a week ago before this last chemical peel. Now notice how those lines are completely gone in this area. You can probably see other good improvements, but the lines are the easiest to focus on. And here's another before picture, October 23. And then this one I took January 2024, about a week ago. Quite a difference. I wanted these to be completely honest. I used the same lighting in the same exact position in front of my kitchen door. I use 1.5 millimeter derma roller. I've done it probably 5 or 6 times since my before pictures. I have a video on it. You know what they say, no pain, no gain. This whole process has been pretty painful, pretty scary, pretty bloody. I've done, quite a bit where I thought I was going to make it worse, but it actually made it substantially better, as you can see. I mean, there's a good difference in these pictures, and that's under the same lighting. So it's been a long winter. I've been working at it all winter. I'm going to continue working at it. I'm going to use sunscreen this year, and I'm going to continue using this is the strongest retinol I can get. This is 0.1 tretinoin gel. This stuff is very, very strong. This is like a chemical peel every 3 or 4 days. I mean, if I use it 3 or 4 days in a row, my skin literally starts peeling off. And here is the original TCA I've started with. This bottle is 100% from repairskincare.com. That's where I was able to get it for like 20 bucks. I think it's still 20 bucks. And I have only used, this stuff is so strong. I have only used down to here. I've been working on the engines all day and my stuff, so I'm dirty and haggard looking. I apologize for that. But this bottle just will last me forever. I feel like it's very, very strong stuff. If you try this, be very, very careful with this. Dilute it down. Dilute it down to like 10%, 9 drops of water and one drop of this. I would start there, get a feel for it, do a patch test on your skin. If you're going to try any of this, if you're going to play with this stuff, please be careful. This stuff scares the shit out of me. It really does. And on top of that, I just ordered some phenol. I haven't even tested it yet, but I got it off eBay. If I grow some balls, I'll experiment with this one. But I'll make sure to make a video on it. There's my progress. That's my update. This channel is not dead. It's just been 4 months since I've uploaded. I apologize for that. I know I told you 2 months, but I didn't feel like I really had significant results at 2 months. All of this works. It works. The microneedling, I feel like, really makes a difference. And I found some research and some articles, where they physically measured people's scars and had them use retinol, prescription retinoic acid, and microneedling combination. The TCA cross has definitely got rid of a lot. I've only done 1 session TCA cross. I've done probably 4 TCA PEELS diluted down to like 20% TCA. And I've done 5 or 6 sessions with the microneedling with the derma rollers, the 1.5 millimeter. I just ordered 2 millimeter derma roller, but it doesn't seem as sharp, so I'm probably just going to stick with the 1.5. That seems to go deep enough. You want to go deep enough to where you're bleeding. If you're not bleeding, you're not really doing anything, according to the research I've done and what I've read and what I've experienced. So I numb myself up too. I got this off Amazon. This is tattoo numbing cream, 6-hour maximum strength pain relief, 5% lidocaine with vitamin E. So I put this on probably about a half hour before I derma roll, and I let it soak in for a good half hour. I also found one on Amazon. Try to get 5% lidocaine. I think that's the strongest we can get. Wouldn't be able to microneedle like that without this stuff. I'm sure the TCA peels would probably be a lot less painful too. I should be using it there. So yeah, that's it for now. Apologize for looking haggard in the roughness of the video, but I want you to see my progress. If you have acne scars, I know the pain you feel. I know what you're going through. It's a terrible feeling, and you're always subconscious about them. I am anyway. I always have been all my life, and they've caused me a lot of pain, for sure. I wish I would have started trying to do something about them sooner. If you're contemplating doing something or trying to do something, at least start derma rolling. I mean, that is like, there's no substantial results the next day. You're not messed up looking when you have to go to work or anything like that. So you can do that, and you can do the retinol. It'll make a significant difference. Just those 2 things alone. You don't have to do the DIY TCA cross and walk around with scabs on your face if you don't want to, or the chemical peels. But if you get a week off of work or something like that, then maybe experiment with start with really low concentration TCA if you're going to screw around with it. You can try this too. It doesn't make me peel at all, but it's 70% glycolic acid off Amazon. My skin must be really tough or something, because that does nothing for me. But if you're really fair skinned, it might make you peel. It makes a lot of people peel. That's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button. Get this video out there so people who need to see it can get the help they need, or the inspiration or the hope they need. And I'm really grateful for you tuning in. I'm very humbled. Thank you. If you have any comments, put them down in the doobly-doo. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'll do my best to answer you quick too. All right, well, until the next time, be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personal. Do your best. And I'll see you on the next one.